Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We're going to check back in with Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth. Josh, how are the conditions looking out there right now? I see a little bit of scattered rain, but I know that's not going to be too much of an impact today.
Definitely not. Yeah, it will be a little bit more scattered a bit later in the day, but for right now it's mainly just along the coast, and there is some snow that's mixing in. Now, not for the coastline, but for the coastal ranges, as snow levels for this morning are around 2,000 feet. They're going to be raising up to around 3,500 feet a little bit later in the day. And let's show you later in the day with Stormcast. And this is lunchtime. You can still see at this point just not really that much that's happening. But into the peak of daytime heating, 4, 5, 6 p.m., that's when the atmosphere will harness some of that energy, and we could see a little bit more in the way of scattered rain or snow showers. And snow levels at this point are going to be up around 3,500 feet, falling down to around 2,000 feet for tonight. But come time for the late evening, I'm thinking most of us will be dry, except for along the Cascades. We could have a few snow showers left over there, but that lull is going to be short-lived again as we have another little impulse that's going to move through for Saturday. So this is Saturday, breakfast time on Saturday. You can see more organized showers along the coast. These will try to move inland, but the coastal ranges and the Cascade range are both going to tear up this moisture, which means that we're not really going to see a whole lot in the way of accumulating rainfall or snowfall for west side valleys or to the east of the Cascades. But still more scattered stuff into Saturday, and we'll have another scattered setup for Sunday too. But for Friday, here's your playground forecast for the Rogue Valley. And it's not going to be the best day to go outside. It's not going to be the worst day, though. There will be small chances for showers, and it will be about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. Also, the winds are going to gust out of the west and northwest, upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour, mainly for Siskiyou County, Klamath County, and Lake County. And then for tonight, the winds will mostly calm down, except for up in the Cascades, where they could still gust upwards of 20 miles per hour. But they will calm down. Well, they'll continue to be calm for the Rogue Valley, and that combination of calm winds and dry air with moisture on the ground means that there could be some fog to return to our west side valleys. Other than that, it's going to be a cold one for tonight, as we'll be below freezing for Klamath County, Lake County, and Siskiyou County. So in those areas, you would probably have to protect the outdoor pets, the plants, and the plumbing. Okay, in general, we'll have more shower chances and cool weather through Sunday, but much warmer and drier for Monday. We'll continue to keep it pretty dry for next week, and we'll continue to warm things up as we'll be pretty close to 80 degrees in the Rogue Valley come time for Wednesday and Thursday. So a significant switch up as we head into next week. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll be wet and cool through Sunday, and then dry and much warmer as we head into next week. Then for Siskiyou County, we could be up into the 80s next week in the Klamath River Valley, and likely pretty close to 80 within the Shasta Valley. Then for the Klamath Basin, small shower chances through Sunday. Then we're looking much drier next week, getting pretty close to that sunny and 75 territory for Thursday. Then for the Cascades, we could have 4 to 6 inches of snow for Crater Lake over the next 48 hours. So some of those Cascade passes could be a little slushy, but taking away from the snowpack into next week. Then for the Rogue Valley, cool with small shower chances through Sunday, but then near 80 degrees for next week.